The Adventure King's Camp Oven Stove is the perfect smoke-free cooking and heating solution that you've been looking for. This fully enclosed, freestanding and sturdy steel camp oven is great for heat and also for cooking on. It has a large flat top that can fit 2 pots or pans. The Adventure King's Camp Oven Stove can run on wood or heat beads. That means you can use it when open or wood fires aren't allowed. The 2.4 metre high chimney extends higher than most annexes and awnings to keep smoke away from camp. It packs away into itself for easy transportation in a van boot and fits perfectly into the optional 40-litre duffel bag or premium canvas barbecue bag. The incredible Adventure King's Camp Oven Stove is available for an amazingly low price from 4-wheel drive Supacentre.